let me show you what $5,000 got me at Kingston Kitchen. Let's go.
I feel like the money I got just lost. I've been holding this money like say nothing.
The first stop was a soup man. I baked some of that soup here. Tastes good. Then, you know, we had to get the party started and get some drinky drinks at Lady Bees Mixology. I like these. My friends did not like them, but I found them really tasty. Then they wanted to stop at Zen Bowls because they were excited about it coming all the way from Montego Bay. We waited forever for these, but they were really good. Enjoy a clip of them putting together the bowl.
They could have learned how to drift. They were having tutorials. I want to try doubles, but the line long. Huh? No, the line long. I didn't see prices. You know Orchid Thai restaurant? They're here, but
It looks super yummy, right? It was. I didn't like the base, but it was good. They had loads of entertainment. They were even teaching people how to drift, which was cool, but maybe too focused on food, so I missed that lesson altogether. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Got this tiny burrito for $5. It was yummy. I mean, $500.
what do you mean by not eat it, 100? Taste it. Taste is something. Some foolishness now.
Clearly this mixture has me in chokehold because I just had to get it. So yeah, look at it. Oh, so beautiful. It's definitely my guilty pleasure. There was so much to choose from. I heard that there were over 80 vendors at the event. So much to choose from. I've been eyeing Orchid Thai for some time now, so I decided to stop there and get a little feel of how their food tastes. I got the crab rangoons, a bit tiny though, but they tasted good. Tasted a little bit of this cocktail. It was good, nothing spectacular. This super spicy doubles line. We literally did palm drivers, so everybody had cheers in the line to hold the line is long, but it was worth it in the end.
Yeah.
So this is curry goat and chickpeas doubles, so yummy. And Kingston Kitchen was always a favorite event of mine. Have to keep going back each year, and I most definitely did eat good. See you guys next year. Will you be coming with me? Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.
Big ass,